Thank you for watching another episode of Stallonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of October, only 35 more to go. Today we are unboxing and taking a first look at the Tactical Armor action figure. It's the purple one, but from Nifeliz Tactical Armor. You've already seen a couple of these that my husband did. And so we're getting on to the third one. There are another couple that my daughter and I will be building. So just look at it. Looks like they've kind of got it all in a cool backdrop, the four different ones. This is the one that I think that I'll be building here. And it has some pictures from the various armor. It is a 16 plus. There's not much more to see on the box. There's over there. Okay, there's the names of them. So I think you've already seen the Rhino AC and the Blue Meteor, and I'm going to be doing this Wuotan, I think is the one I'm doing. And then the last one we'll build is the Red Mayfly. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. I suspect it's going to be a lot the same as the past couple, but we'll go ahead and see if I can open the box. There we go. All right. So, we had a really nice quality of manual here. This is the Wuotan. So yes, the Wuotan action figure. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Really don't know. It's for 16 plus, 630 pieces. All right, and it's got a lot of interesting stuff in the front. I suspect that it might be very similar to what was in the other ones. This is One Day We'll Build a Mech. Has some notes from the maker. Let's see. All right, so it's going to have, details about what our mech is like. I'll try and read some of that later as we do the build. We've got the defensive armor and the armor material. And they've really, really thought out the story of these mechs. And then looks like it's pretty standard directions. Not sure. D is indicating that. Okay. So in here, instead of trying to picture the piece, they just have put a letter so that you can see that it's that piece. It's not really broken down into segments as far as, separate packaging. It looks like it's just continual build. There are, however, smaller pieces to build and then attach. So it looks like pretty straightforward directions, and then it actually has some directions on how to pose in the back. I haven't seen that before, so I'm sure my husband probably has a little bit more experience with things like that. I don't do a lot of mech sorts of things, so but I think that that's actually a nice step for those of us who don't do a lot, that it gives us a little bit of detail to help us make sure that we are getting it posed well. And then pretty durable bag with all the little bags inside of it. Let's see how many bags there are. So, looks like they're basically sorted by type of part, maybe? I don't know. It's a little hard to tell. They're not numbered or anything. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags of parts. So, I'm definitely going to have to either go the old-fashioned route of when I used to search through the bags and just have each of the bags separately, or I'm going to have to combine up parts so that I can put them in fewer containers to search. But it's got some really great colors here. I'm really interested to build this. So it's not a type of build that I've done before, so we're going to go ahead and see how it goes. Thank you again for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We also encourage you, we have a Patreon account. You can join for $3 and watch all of our videos without commercial interruption. And that will help us to get a new camera to overcome some of the flaws of the camera we have right now.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.